When it comes to keeping my family warm and comfortable during cold weather, I don't have time to wait on Mr. Fix-It over here. That's why I fired him and called the No Surprise guys at Gorjank Comfort Services. I got a fall furnace tune-up for just $59. As usual, Gorjank provided terrific customer service, and the bill was exactly $59 for a 23-point fall furnace tune-up. So for peace of mind that keeps your family comfortable and warm all season long, I recommend the No Surprise guys at Gorjank Comfort Services. Right, honey?